Hello, East Choir parents. It's Mr. Walker again, and I wanted to show you a little bit more of what to expect from the choir this year. So, only two of my classes are going to be really performing this year, but regardless of if whatever class period you're in, if I see that students are really interested in performing, I can pull them to have them learn the music and we can do it that way. But every student is going to learn the basics of reading music and being able to sing and apply the things that they learned in reading music. So I am showing you currently my fifth period is one of the advanced classes. Um, every single week, it's going to be very repetitive of the expectations of my class. Every week, there's going to be an assignment in Breezing Through Theory or something that has them doing more technical music in writing. And there's going to be an assignment for Sight Reading Factory as well. And that's giving everybody an opportunity to apply the things that they've learned in music theory and Breezing Through Theory. And for the more advanced classes, there's going to be a third thing that they'll have to do. And the third thing is going to be they're going to have to send in a recording of themselves singing a specific portion of whatever song that we're currently working on. All right, but today we're going to talk about Sight Reading Factory. So I'm just going to jump in, and I already have it open up here, but as a reminder, for students to get in, they go over here and they just click on Sight Reading Factory and it'll bring them to their sign in. But I'm already in over here, so I'm just going to click on this one and let's go. So once students are in, the only thing that they need to worry about is clicking assignments up at the top. If they click assignments, you can see for me, since it's the teacher side, I see a lot of assignments that I've already given, but students just need to worry about, they'll just see the assignment that is for their class period. So I'm going to click on this, and I have the student's name blocked here, but I can see how many times they attempted the assignment and if they've completed it, and it shows me the time that they've completed it. Sight Reading Factory assignments will always be due on Friday by 11:59 p.m. And they will be assigned on either Wednesday or Thursday, so they will have ample time to get it done before that Friday. All right, so let's jump in and see what these assignments look like. So obviously, you need a microphone to be able to get everything done, so make sure that when the student is doing this, that they allow the microphone to be used, otherwise it's not going to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip the mic check because I know my microphone works. The student will have to choose what they use what their instrument is. So since we're choir, we're definitely going to pick voice, and either soprano, alto, tenor, or bass. They should know what to pick from their class period, and I'll definitely tell them what to do. I'm going to pick bass because I'm a bass. Now this is telling me that they have 60 seconds to look over it and just a lot of different things. So I'm just going to show you the entire process. In the first 60 seconds, it's going to allow me to look over this music, and I get to practice it as much as I want to in that time limit. The student needs to click here to see what note they're going to start with. Do, and this is the time they practice. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Oh, I'm sorry. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I did that wrong. Do, re, do. And that's the point of practice. You see all the mistakes. Mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And then when the timer goes down, it's going to give 4 clicks, and then they have to sing it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, Once the student is done with their singing, they can listen to what they sounded like on their own. They can listen to what it's supposed to sound like, or they can listen to themselves singing with the piano playing with them. I'm gonna let you hear this, but it's gonna sound a little weird since it had the clicks going and the clicks were being caught by the microphone, but I'll still let you see what I'm talking about. Do, re, mi, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So as you can see right there, I could hear what I was singing and the piano playing to make sure that I was singing the right notes. So students are able to check their work no matter what level they are with reading music. The synth plus recording will play the notes the way they're supposed to be played, and they could learn how to tweak it and fix the things that they messed up. And at that point, after they practice enough, they can try another. It'll give them a new assignment, and then they can, since they practiced in the same criteria, it'll help them be able to do it the right way. But regardless, they can listen to themselves and check their work, and they'll know if they did it right or wrong by doing synth plus recording. And once they're happy with the recording that they have to hit submit assignment. Once they hit submit assignment, that is it. So as of now, they have unlimited attempts, and with the virtual learning, I might keep it that way. But once they hit submit, that is the grade that they are going to get. So please, please, please encourage your scholar to check their work, use all the tools that they have to make sure that they are submitting good work. All right, that's it for Sight Reading Factory. Like I said, they have to hit submit. Once they do that, I will get their grade. If they do not hit submit, I will not get it. All right, that is it for Sight Reading Factory, and on to the next one.